Okay, guys, so this is the 16th episode, third season. What is truth? Today I will. It's a rest day. So yesterday there was a lot of basically I went interacted with people. I most of the time I use like nature to conserve my energy because you sit with nature. Trees are not going to judge you whether you sit, you sleep, you eat, whatever you do. But if you're human, like so many boundaries, conditions, you can do this here, you cannot do this here, so many thinking. So then I went yesterday, and yesterday somehow a lot of people talked to me out of nowhere. It's a lot of thinking. Do you hear these like birds' voices? Is the iPhone microphone powerful enough for it? I'll clarify basically some of the doubts. Basically, what I understood in all of these talks, or not talks, like conversations with people, was that some people are taking it one way or the other. Is it rational or is it irrational? Is it heart or is it mind? It's like mind is logical, is thinking. So you are engaged in your thought process still. You're understanding. So there is something happening in the thought, and that is not reality. So why? I think I actually put like this process earlier, but I think people didn't understood. So first of all, for anything in life, for any condition to meet, in a sense, you need to yourself honestly verify it, right? The problem is you can lie to yourself. That's the problem. So like you know that you have done bad stuff, but then still you somehow convinced yourself that you have not. So for that, the first condition to even able to observe, be aware of anything, you need honesty. Honesty is not just like you're a good person or something like that. Honesty in terms of accepting whatever you have done in your life. And because of that, there will be openness that will come. Because you won't be afraid. You understood? And it's not be afraid both of fears as well as like boundaries. Boundaries is not the right word. I mean, systematic kind of constraints. So if you accept your fear, okay, so fear is something which is only inside your head, nothing else, okay? If you accept it, somehow, what does like accepting means? Accepting means like you are very afraid of dark, okay? So it's like dying only for you. And it's but physically it's not, nothing is happening. Like I can switch on the light, switch off the light. I mean, what's there? But why are you afraid of dark? Like, face it. Physically, there is nothing to be afraid of. That is only the mental construction that is there. So, if you trust your body, that your body is more intelligent and won't be fooled by your mind, that okay, you are somehow suffocating or you are somehow. I mean, it's like the body, the mind is lying to itself, right? Like what is happening, it is showing a different picture of what is happening. So let's go back to the main thing. Like, okay, so this is all of this. You need say verification. Okay, verification means like you need to accept your story. You have to be honest inside. Otherwise, you cannot even verify where have you reached in your life. Then you are just moving round and round. So that is kind of like communicating through good heart. Good heart means someone who intentionally won't do any harm. Or even the harm has been done, they will accept it. They're like, okay, this was intentionally or unintentionally. At that time, I thought this was the right option, but now I know better, maybe. So that is good heart. You understood? I mean, it's very clear. Good heart is like, okay. In most of the cultures, heart is associated with something different. So I am pointing to that thing. And the next thing you need is somewhere the mental capacity. Mental capacity means to be able to train your thoughts. That is all there. Now you can train your thought either through logic, or you can just train your thought like in Buddhist people train it. Is like they kind of like just keep removing it. So the whatever is left, then they have full control over it. Both of these things are required. Like a good heart without the willingness to go and find out the answer or the truth for yourself won't do anything. Then it is just like a full good heart, right? It's like ignorance, like good heart because of ignorance. Or a very what you say, the mental what people term as like intelligent guy in today's generation. So that person will be able to train their thoughts more. Like they are more what you say structured in their thinking, how they go about things, right? Because they have been trained in that kind of like I don't know, education. So that but the heart is not there. So who will verify whatever is happening? Right? How will you even accept your story? Because you are just like rational thought going on a journey. I think that was it. So these two conditions are there. And that is there in all the stories if you concerned with spirituality or anything like that. So I think that is the clarification. Okay, guys. I will see you in the next episode.